Hello, everyone. I'm Jeff Egberg. You've built your RiseON profile. Now it's time to make it truly stand out. In today's job market, employers don't just look at what's written on your resume. They want to see how you think, how you solve problems, and what kind of results you deliver. That's where your portfolio becomes your strongest proof of potential. Portfolios today go far beyond creative fields. They're for every professional. Whether you're in marketing, finance, operations, or tech, recruiters now look for evidence of work, not just job titles. Even a small case study, a process improvement, or a data report that influenced a decision can serve as powerful proof of skill. In a world driven by AI and automation, it's your execution that sets you apart, not just credentials. Creating projects and case studies doesn't just showcase what you've done, it builds trust. It tells hiring managers, I don't just know the concept, I can apply it. This is the new professional language, like showing context, creativity, and impact. Your portfolio is the credibility layer that proves what your resume claims. Inside RiseON, your portfolio can include three types of content, each with a different purpose. Projects, show what you've built or delivered. These highlight tangible outcomes and real-world application of your skills. Case studies, tell the story behind your work, the challenge, your approach, and the impact. Great for demonstrating thought process and problem-solving depth. Articles, share perspectives, insights, or industry learnings that position you as a knowledgeable professional. Together, these three types allow you to showcase both what you've done and how you think. Across industries, hiring is becoming portfolio first. A strong portfolio doesn't just reflect your past, it accelerates your next opportunity. Now that we understand its importance, let's create one together. Click Add section, Portfolio, then Add Instance. You'll see three options: project, case study, or article. Read the short descriptions. They'll help you choose the right fit. For this example, we'll go with case study. Once you click Continue and Finish Setup, your template opens. Let's say I'm creating one titled AI Enablement for SMEs, Automating Sales for Small and Medium Businesses. Add category tags like automation or sales. This helps recruiters discover your project easily. Then fill in duration and other basic details. RiseON makes creating your content effortless. Click Generate with AI, Create New. You don't need to retype your profile. RiseON already understands your background. Just add details unique to this project, for example. Used Go High Level to automate workflows and improve lead generation. Click Generate, and the AI crafts a concise, recruiter-ready summary using your context. Copy, paste, and save, and your case study summary is complete. Next, open project details and tap Generate with AI, Create New. Describe your process of the steps you took, tools you used, and how you implemented the solution. RiseON applies a recruiter-optimized framework that clearly highlights your thought process and outcomes. You can refine or expand it for more depth, and in minutes, you'll have a polished, authentic case study. Now make it engaging. Add images, slides, or video walkthroughs to bring your work to life. You can tag collaborators, link client names, or upload additional assets. Once you hit save, your case study appears instantly in your portfolio. Reorder your profile layout, drag portfolio above work experience. Now your projects appear right at the top, so recruiters see your best work first. Once you're ready, click Publish. RiseON generates your unique digital resume URL, a live interactive version of your resume that opens instantly on any device. No sign-in, no download, just your professional story available to the world. And that's it. Your RiseON profile is live, your portfolio is published, and your work now speaks for itself. In the next chapter, we'll explore how ATS systems read resumes and how RiseON's smart formatting prepares your digital profile for the next generation of hiring.